Malibu out here. Look good. This thing clean though. This is my daddy's favorite car. It's a 6.4. This thing clean right here. It looks good. Wanna hit the juice, man. Juice them up. Juice one time.
Look at that.
57 Bel Air. Clean. Super clean.
You okay down there, hoodie?
Little bug loud. Little Mustang over there loud. C10. Got that thing slammed down, huh? With a turbo in it. I'm on the ground. Interior done. Ooh, got him slammed out. Slammed out. Oh yeah. He did this whole truck. Truck clean. That's a whole build right there. Okay. You got the gear stick like you got an 18 with it. It's right up there. Thing right there clean too. Oh yeah, he got some work in this bad boy. You got them all lack lights on it. Shocks on them. See the bed liner. Stained wood.
Eventually.
You air in that front tire.
Probably.
Oh, I can see it.
The whole truck needs
You're
something.
gonna pull the heather on me.
We've been drove for like 6 months. It's filthy.
That mug nice.
I got oil coming out the front of the damn motor.
That's right.
Well, no, worse than what. Like I got here in the front of it was covered. I had oil all over the turbo. I feel like I got on it when I pulled out the harness. I did a quick hit. I think that pressure just blew it all up.
That mug clean right there. Slammed on to the ground. Look at this whole thing right here, man. It looks good. I can't say, sometimes you can get away with that just leaving it all original. You know what I'm saying? Like they left it. This is the same paint for whatever year this car is. It don't look that bad. The interior, everything original. Sometimes you can get away with that, you know what I'm saying? A little rust on the top, you know what I'm saying? Just give it a little bit more culture, you know what I'm saying? Original speakers and everything. Original. You can get away with that sometimes. But this thing's so long though. One thing they don't got original, I would say, is the bags. I know it ain't. I know they don't ride with it that low. Look like a little bullet hole. Look good though. Like this little bad boy. I didn't know this was a Pontiac. But it might be just a Pontiac light. What is this? That's the stock motor that came in. It looked like it, but pretty strong. It's a Firebird. It is a Pontiac. This is a Pontiac. Got a nice little Chevy with that patina up on it. I see, but some people will get it painted with the patina. You see what I'm saying? This is the same thing. You got nitrous, you ready to race. Big tires up on there. 454 up in it. You got a block in there. For sure. I'm trying to figure out what model I'm gonna put in my car. Got patina up on it. 454 with a little shot of nitrous, son. Look like we're gonna wrap it up today. That's it. Well, not for today, for this car show. I'm about to go to the, I'm in Canton right now. I'm about to go to the other car show in Woodstock. Yeah. I'll get back with y'all. They got these Mustangs dressed up. You got the full chrome package on the top here. Like stats. You know what I'm saying? Penmanship on that. Alpined out. What, he got a sound system up in there? He do. This is probably the dude that I heard. Oh yeah. Yes sir. This look like an old build, cause all them amps is out of date, but they still work though. Them speakers is out of date too. And this is an old. It's probably like a 20-year-old build right here. With the little extra camper on there, the little windows on there. Yeah, that's an old build. That's nice though.